In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add shortcuts in Google Chrome quickly and easily so you can open your favorite websites with just one click every time you open a new tab. This is a simple productivity trick, but it can save you time every single day, especially if there are websites you visit often, like YouTube, Gmail, or your favorite work tools. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tips just like this. Alright, let's get right into it. First, open Google Chrome and make sure you're on a new tab page. If you're on Windows, you can press Ctrl and T on your keyboard to open a new tab instantly. If you're on a Mac, press Command and T. Once the new tab opens, you'll see the shortcut grid right on the page, and that is where we're going to add a new shortcut. Now look for the Add Shortcut button. It usually appears as a large plus icon inside the shortcut section. Go ahead and click that button. A small pop-up window will appear, and this is where you'll enter the details for your shortcut. In the name field, type the name you want to appear on the shortcut. For example, if you want to create a shortcut for YouTube, you can simply type YouTube. Keep it short and easy to recognize because this is the label you'll see whenever you open a new tab. Next, click into the URL field and type or paste the full website address. Make sure you include the complete link like https://youtube.com. This part is important because Chrome needs the exact website address in order to open the shortcut correctly. If you're creating shortcuts for other sites, just enter the full URL for each one. After you've entered both the name and the website address, double check everything to make sure it looks correct. Then click Done. Chrome will immediately add the shortcut to your new tab page, and from now on, you can click it anytime you want to open that website faster. If you want to add more shortcuts, just repeat the same process. Open a new tab, click the plus icon, enter the name, paste the URL, and click Done again. You can build a whole row of your most used websites, which makes Chrome much more convenient and efficient. And that's it. You now know how to add shortcuts in Google Chrome in just a few easy steps. It's a simple feature, but once you start using it, you'll probably wonder how you ever browsed without it. If this video was helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.